Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
In this tempered glass, you're gonna get your plate glass, and it's gonna be cut to size, and it's gonna be cooled. Then I'm calling Dennis to replace the shower door in my bathroom. You've got to measure that, cut that glass, then send it to the tempering plant, right?
Well, what we do now, because of the equipment and things, we go out, we measure, tell them where we want the hinges, the handle, all the stuff, and we send it to the factory. And now they cut the glass, and then they send it to their CNC machine, which then cuts the hinges cutouts for us, drills the holes, polishes it, puts it all together, and then runs it through the furnace.
And all that has to be cut and drilled before the tempering furnace.
Right. Or if it's not cutting tempered glass, it just blows up. So everything has to be done before we temper.
Okay. So that's a little bit of why replacing tempered glass may not be an overnight procedure, right?
It's not an overnight procedure.
Yeah.
As we say in the business, we're not Amazon.
Okay.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona home.